So to find the product of these two numbers in 3 seconds, now take note that multiplying these two numbers closer to 100 but greater than 100. So for this 105 plus 104, since 105 is plus 5 from 100 and 104 is plus 4 from 100, then you can do now the addition. So you can add this 105 plus 4, that's 109, or this 104 plus 5, so that's also 109. Then the last two digits, so multiply these two numbers. 5 times 4, this one is 20. So therefore this 105 times 104 is equal to 10,920. Then for this given, so 106 times 108. So since 106 is plus 6 from 100 and 108 is plus 8 from 100, then you can add 106 plus 8. So that's 114. Or this 108 plus 6, this is also 114. Then the last two digits, so multiply this 6 times 8, and 6 times 8, this one is 48. So therefore this 106 times 108 is equal to 11,448. Then for this problem, so since 101 is plus 1 from 100 and 109 is plus 9 from 100, then this 101 plus 9, that's 110, or 109 plus 1, that's also 110. Then again, the last two digits, so multiply these two numbers. So 1 times 9, this one is 9, or 09. So therefore this 101 times 109 is equal to 11,009.